Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can easily save WhatsApp status on your Motorola Moto G85 5G without using any app. So let's get started. First of all, open File Manager on your Motorola Moto G85 5G. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on Settings. Then simply turn on the Show Hidden Files option. After that, go back to the previous page in your File Manager. Then tap on Internal Storage. After that, here you find the Android folder and tap on it. Then tap on Media. After that, tap on com.whatsapp folder. Then tap on WhatsApp. After that, here you tap on Media. Then tap on .statuses folder. Now here you will see all the WhatsApp photos and video statuses that you have recently viewed. If you want to save any status to your file manager, then just tap on the three dots at the right side of the status. After that, tap on Move to option and move that photo or video to any folder where you want to keep it. So by this process, you can save any WhatsApp status on your Motorola Moto G85 5G without using any app. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.